welcome back to another Civilianist video. Today I'm showing you a Barbie-inspired design that you can recreate using our new heavy-duty round arch backdrop stand. Let's begin! I'm beginning by creating a balloon garland. To achieve this, I'm inflating 2 balloons at a time and then tying them together. Now I'm tying a couple of 260 balloons to one another. After that, I'm forming clusters of 4 balloons by twisting 2 pairs together. Using the figure 8 method, I'm grouping the balloon clusters to create the garland. Next, I'm securing the balloon garland to the arch using the excess 260 balloon. I'm also adding in some balloon flowers. If you haven't watched the balloon flower clip tutorial, I definitely recommend it. To enhance the garland's appearance, I'm also adding in a variety of pink flowers. Lastly, I'm adding pink and fuchsia drapes and creating a simple swag design using a zip tie. Whether you're hosting a birthday party, bridal shower, or a fabulous dinner party, this dreamy Barbie-inspired design is sure to wow your guests and make for a picture-perfect backdrop. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you stop our social media pages for more event inspiration and subscribe to see our latest videos. Thank you again and see you next time.